I forgot to start the stream. Sorry, guys. I think now it will be working. Let's see. Forgot to. Yes, yes. Now it should be working. Welcome, everybody. Let us bring the disclaimer again. Okay, guys, before we go further, let us remind you about the disclaimer. Our video here is just for education purposes, guys, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And let us start our live streaming for today. The sound is back. Jesus came from the desert. Holy water is in Martin Apollo. Holy water is in. Yes. Norma, welcome back. Norma, one of our first member who rejoined our YouTube membership. Thank you for the support, Norma. After 3 months of fighting back to get back our YouTube membership and our monetization back, we survived, guys. We fought back. Hunters never give up. Again, welcome, everybody. Let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like button and the way in. George is back. Okay, let us take the first question from George. He said, UEC, what's going on with it? UEC, I will check it right now, my brother. UEC, I will check it here to see if it's good or not. UEC, of course, is not a unicorn, as you said. It is, yeah, there is a earning coming up in just 1 week. I will watch for dip during the earnings if we have a bad earnings, because right now is kind of overextended around $12, $13. So yes, we got almost the 13. Might be going toward the 15 if we have a really good earnings, but the other level that we should watch is the bottom, which is around those three levels, the $10.80, $9.30, and $7.88. So guys, let's get right to it. Let us wait everybody to tune in here. I think everybody coming in. CWD, Norma, of course. Crypto unicorn are restless with the FOMC rate cut demons. Rate cut demons. Good analogy. Yes, we have a massive pullback for the markets. Everything is pulling back for the news. Anticipation for the news. Even Neo, guys, is pulling back. I will watch for the gap that Neo will might retest for today. I will watch for a huge reversal down for Neo, guys. If we got a nice dip, I will might watch for the dip entry. For now, Neo is pulling back. Everything is pulling back because of this FOMC rate cuts, demons. Exactly, are the demons. CWG is pulling back. We have double top around the 11, currently holding over the $7.67 Norma. This is the support that we should hold. And we have two target, 13 and 17 if we broke the 11. I will narrow down the list. Open, reverse, big time in the pre-market. Get near the 812. NFE reverse as well. We got SPRC pullback and IBM pullback, and SPAI maybe would be good at the market open. So guys, let's get right to it. Let's get right to the business of making money. Lyft. Lyft is not a unicorn, but I will check it anyway. 16%. Holy baloney. What's going on with Lyft? Lyft as a robotaxi partner, plan to launch service in Nashville. Holy baloney. Look at this humongous jump after this news. What a crazy jump. You know, I don't like those kind of jump after the news because the jump already happened. So it's really hard to predict because it's depending on the news. And already jumped right now, I think. Yeah, right now, guys. Almost 30 minutes ago. We had humongous jump. Humongous jump. And now it's pulling back from this resistance. Yeah, it could be good for today, but it's really overextended right now. Overly extended, so it's a bit dangerous. If it pull back, I will watch for a pullback, but highly unlikely. Let's see the big picture. Yeah, Lyft did really good job of reversing around 26. So yeah, Lyft could be good to watch as well after this major news because it's pretty active for today. It was almost 30%. Wow, it's crazy. Yeah. Okay, let us see the pre-market very quick. What we've got in the pre-market. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, Lyft is kind of lifting the balls up. Let's see. Let's see top gainers for today. Yes, yeah, we don't have a lot of stocks for today that jumping big. Let's see the top losers. We got BIAF and Turbo. BIAF. Turbo did 500% yesterday, guys. If you don't know, this stock is it's crazy. Yeah, went until 500 around the $20. Now it's pulling back down. Could be good for a dip because yeah, yesterday it was overextended. And now it's going down, down fast. So I will watch for the dip. Interesting dip is coming. Uh, so yeah, today the market is really weak, guys. Most stocks been pumping, dumping down, especially for SPAI a bit. BIAF pulled back a lot right now. Yeah, PIAF, yeah, one of the top losers. It might reverse, but is not. Yeah, 30%. It might be good for a reversal. We have 5 minutes left, guys. I will watch the market closely. Now we just checking any opportunity heading. Let's see IPM. IPM was the top gainer for today, but pulled back a lot. So I'm watching for a reversal. SPRC, the same, 115%, pulled back a lot. Might dip some more. NFE, the same. look really interesting for reversal because the reversal already happened in the pre-market, guys. Open, we got a drastic reversal. And left, of course, we have major news before the market open. Okay, good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. What a day, man. What a day we're gonna have. Today, yeah, we have a bit of anticipation, guys, from FOMC. A lot of people not cautious or ready for the news. They're a bit cautious. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, we got few minutes left, guys. Few minutes left at the market open. Hit the like button and the win. We remember, guys, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Before that, on our discussion Patreon, where we discuss many stocks. Yesterday, we discussed a few stocks for entry for them, like BBAI was really great yesterday. For us, RLMD, of course. We got other stock did really great job. Open to buy the dip, as you can see here, was great. So yeah, we always discuss the market early on every day before the market open on our Discord. So I'm gonna put the link to our Discord and Patreon if you want to join, guys, for early access, of course, to our community on Patreon, where we discuss the market early on in the pre-market. Everybody asking about Mara and other stocks like Neo. Yeah, Mara, it did really great job yesterday, and now it's pulling back. Neo, the same, I think, is still holding the gap. I will watch Neo closely. APLD and Unity could be good as well. Tesla as well for a dip. But now I will watch SPAI, of course, because we have a new price target for it. We'll see. SPRC pulling back, MVE pulling back, Open pulling back, Lyft. It could be good for today if we have the current support here. Yeah, Lyft. We have a lot of people trading Lyft for today. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Few minutes left at the market open. Few minutes left at the market open, everybody. Okay, we have few minutes, few seconds left. I'm watching SPAI because we have a new price target for it, guys, around the 12th. And strong buy for SPAI, guys, one of the AI play. And as you can see here is a strong buy, and give it $13 from Northern Capital Market and $8 strong buy. And price target is around the 1050, and right now it's around the 725. Did really huge, humongous jump from the 7 until the 9, 30% in just one day back in 9th of September. I'm watching for this resistant breakout for this one, guys. SPAI could be really great because have a really good jump, 30%, and then pull back. So it's kind of looking great. Lyft is pulling back down. I will watch for entry. Yeah, it could be really good for re-entry for Lyft, guys. If we continue the dip, open, dipping down, MVE pulling back down as well. SPRC, IPM, SPRC is still strong. Yeah, SPAI, guys, still looking interesting. Light on volume, of course, but it might change later on. Neo jumping up a little bit. I'm waiting for a dip. The market is a bit red for today, guys. A bit red, as you can see clearly, because we don't have trust in the market yet. The market is undecided. For Neo, I need a pullback for Neo, guys, for re-entry. For now, I will watch still SPAI because it's still on the green side. Lyft as well is pulling back a lot, but it could be good for reversal here. Yes, could be really good for reversal. Open, pulling back up. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Don't forget, I'm still watching SPAI. Could be good for a jump. Right now is a bit sleeping, but we learned that always stock that sleeping could reverse at any moment. Okay, left is moving. Left, it might move at any moment. But it's kind of dangerous because pullback 18%. SPAI moving up, open is moving up as well. Unusual pulling back up for open. I don't trust it that much, to be honest. Lift. Let's see if we're gonna lift up. Open is testing resistant. SPRC reversing. SPAI still try to move. Neo is pulling back down a bit. It might fill the gap for Neo, guys. So I'm watching for a gap fill. SPAI still not moving. But yeah, as you can see here, price target really great, man, around the $10.50. Upside almost 45%, but this is yearly, guys. The good thing is we have consensus of rating strong buy from two analysts for SPAI. Right now it's 2%. It's almost 2% up. Lyft started to reverse. I will watch Lyft closely for a reversal up. I will put alert here. Maybe we might have another dip down. Yeah, but yeah, here it could be good for reversal. Open, still pulling back. SPRC. Oh man, what's going on? Left is still down. SPAI still didn't break yet. I'm still waiting for SPAI for the volume to pick up a bit. Neo, guys, is about to fill the gap here. It might fill the gap at any moment. So we're lowered the alert down around the 680 because it's pulled back a lot. Yes, it's filled the gap right now. Tesla is pulled back down. Coinbase, nothing. Mara is pulling back down. Plug is a bit strong. Lyft is still pulling back down, guys. This is unusual, really. Usually you should have a reversal, but it still continue to go down. So there's someone still selling Lyft. Are we gonna have a reversal for Lyft, guys? But because this is not normal, guys. This is not normal that we jumped almost 30% but pulled back like this. Open, it is one of the top stocks right now, doing fantastic. Unusual reversal, guys, to be honest. It was quick. I was waiting for another dip, but never came. Yeah, open. Okay, let's see Neo. Yeah, Neo currently holding the gap. Open still up. APLD going up a bit. Tesla, yeah, Tesla 2% today. We'll see if we hold the support. Mara support is around the $17. It did a really great job for holding over this level. We might have this reaction, guys, going from red to green for today. Because as you can see here, the market is a bit strong still. Okay, we're still waiting for a reversal here, guys, for Lyft. This is unusual that we have a flush here. I'm waiting for a reversal up at least around 23. Still currently looking strong for Lyft, but we have just FOMO. Yeah, price got FOMO'd at the pre-market. So I'm watching for a dip here around the 1990 maybe. But I doubt that we're gonna go toward the 1990. We should reverse them now to test the 2380 at least. Neo is still going down. SPAI, nothing much. IPM, nothing much. I'm checking very quick the stocks. This one is game over, I think. FGNX game over as well. BBAI pulling back. So you see, guys, we have a huge pullback for many stocks. So we have to, yeah. So Lyft, it might lift right now up. Watch out for Lyft, guys. I think this is it for reversal. Open the same. SPRC jumping like no tomorrow, guys. Watch out, SPRC. We have kind of squeeze. SPAI the same. It's 2% right now up. Neo, time for a pullback. Left, time for a reversal. Open, already reversed. SPRC already hit the profit taken. And the breakout already happened. So now we might have a resistant test here. So I'm watching for a good reversal or test at least around yeah, we already tested the resistant 524. Tesla going down. Watch out for Tesla, guys. Tesla broke this support. It might be now going or heading toward the 403. We might have a major correction for today. Yeah, for Tesla, a good correction. Technically, we didn't break the gap, guys, for Neo. So I'm gonna put alert here because if we broke this level is mean, yeah, around the 706. SPRC still below the resistance. SPAI still accumulating, waiting for a huge buyer. And let's see the top gainers for today. SPRC, IPM. Yeah, nothing much happening. Let's see the top gainer here. We got HIND, yeah. HIND. Some of you asked me about this. It's not good. GV is jumping, but on light volume. CWD halted down. So yeah, today is not that strong. So I'm watching still Lyft, guys, for a reversal here. It jumped almost 30% and mega news. Open is pulling back because we have a resistant around the ones around the 987, I think. SPRC, we have a breakout. SPRC is the only one that looked great for today, guys. For my opinion, SPRC is the only one that looked fantastic and strong. The rest is a bit weak. SPRC and of course SPAI. Both of them are strong. But SPRC have a limit to buy 147 shares if you live in Europe, of course. Let's go. SPRC looking great. SPAI is still struggling here. As we said, guys, this one have a potential because already jumped early on, but now have a bit of struggle. As long as we hold the 586 would be great for today. Neo, the same. We have held the gap for today. If we held the 706 will be great. Otherwise, we have a pullback. Lyft has started to lift up, guys. Watch out, Lyft. It might have a reversal right now. So I'm gonna put support here around the 21. If we held the 21 will be great for today. Lift, lift, lift. We're waiting for a lift off. SPRC is getting near a major resistance, so we expect a pullback to correct at least around 485. If we broke the 670, we might get halted up. So be ready for maybe a huge lift off for SPRC. Open is pulling back down a bit. Lyft is still struggling, but now I think is the time for a reversal. We need to hold the 2169. If we held, would be great for today. Otherwise, would be not good. Yeah, I'm gonna put support here or alert just in case. Neo, we have a big buyer over this gap. Interesting, man. 706 look really strong for me. Yes. Let's see. Oracle is still going down. Yeah, correcting down. Is a correction day. Plug is plugging up. Holy baloney. What's going on with Plug, guys? I think we have some major news for Plug because it's 6%. Yesterday, 7% was going on. Let's see. Plug Power. Stock is up. So Plug Power is up following positive analyst comments on strong sales on recent partnership and contract extension. Wow, major news, guys, for block, major news. And I think we have a nice breakout here from this flag. Big news. Yeah, humongous news for plug. Yeah, that's why it's jumping really good for today. Even though the market is red, but it is green. Neo is holding, guys. Even though the market is red, Neo is kind of strong. Lyft started to reverse up. Open 7%, SPRC pulling back. SPAI still around the 2%. We break this level, all hell will break loose for SPAI. This one is always move on slow volume. As you can see here, back on the 25th or the 9th of September, we jumped in one day 30%. So that's why it is doing all right now. We have kind of support right now over the 691. Yeah, or around 685. Yes, if we held it would be perfect. Yeah, would be perfect. Or around the $7. Yes. Yes, SPAI would be great if we held the $7 for today or the rest of the week. This one you should sit on it like an egg. Fed decision at 20 hours Paris time, or yes, Marley can rip and dip fast. Holy baloney. Yes, man. So technically before the market closed by 2 hours, we're gonna have a huge activity. So be careful, guys. Before the market closed today, we're gonna have a major shift in the market. So open still reversing. I was waiting for an entry for this one, man, but yes, it fooled me. It fooled me really big time. Lyft started to lift up. Watch out, we have a reversal for Lyft here. We got a really nice reversal. Are you kidding me, man? Neo is reversing. But I think we got a seller here around this flag. Yeah, we got the major seller around this area. Yeah, Lyft is lifting up, guys. Lyft is lifting up. SPRC, yes, have a struggle to break this resistance just below the 660. Neo is still struggling. Okay, we have a bit of shift in markets. The market is kind of recovering for Mara and crypto stocks. They kind of recovering. Holy baloney. Look at that. Plug is doing his thing and it's just going up. Neo is moving, guys. Neo, it held the gap. It held the gap, man. Look at that. This is unprecedented. Look at that. We held the gap. Neo held the gap. Interesting, man. Interesting. Tricky, man. Tricky. Tricky business. Neo is tricky business. Open the same. It's tricky business. Yeah, today is giving me mixed signals, guys. Today give me a bit of mixed signals, especially for crypto stocks. Yeah, Lyft is lifting up. Watch out, guys. We might have a huge reversal for Lyft now. It found a bit of bottom for Lyft, a little bit of bottom. Uh, the rest, yeah, this one is trying as well. We got a dangerous zone here for Neo. Yeah, don't trust this level, man, because the market is a bit red today. So the good thing is for Neo is held the gap over the 706. Really good reaction. I didn't anticipate this bounce. I didn't have a trust for entry here because the market was weak, but it reversed. Left, on the other hand, we have a reversal from the bottom. It jumped 30%, man, in just few minutes. Just in 10 minutes, yes. 31%. Then pull back, it was just 8%. It was really good entry around this zone. Yeah, reverse now 4%. Now have a bit of resistance to break, guys, around the 2281. If we did, we're gonna have the 2377, then 2486, and then the 26. So this resistance, if we broke it, we're gonna have 4% reversal. Neo is going up like no tomorrow. Broke the trend here. Open is getting near a major resistance around the 987. Yeah, it's hard to predict lately. Yeah, usually it bounce back every time we have a major dip, but I was waiting for more dip, guys. I'm a bit disappointed for open. It didn't dip and reverse even before the market opened, so I really hate those kind of trades. Neo reversed perfectly from the bottom here. Interesting, man. CRCL is going, GV unicorn halted. CRCL, GV. Let's check GV. Whoa, GV is going, just came right now. Again, those kind of stocks, guys, they jump like this really quick and they dump really quick. So I don't trust them that much. They were sleeping in a pre-market. They just came right now. There's someone bought just at the market open. So we have a bit of kind of manipulation for this one. $3.67. Yeah, $3.57. We might have a dip for it. So yeah, it got halted so many times, guys. Be careful on this one. CRCL, on the other hand, looking interesting. Yeah, looking interesting, but not unicorn. SPAI started to move. Watch out. Lyft, Neo, and Lyft is about to break the resistance at any second. If we broke the 2281, nice, will be a sign of great buyer. 2281 right now, we need to break it. Let's go. We need to break this level right now. Yes, we have a breakout. Open, we have a breakout as well for open. Holy baloney. Are we gonna have another 100% or 70% for today? This is crazy, man. This is not usual. This is unusual, guys, to be honest. This is unusual buying pressure. I didn't expect 10% or 11% from 5% down. Lyft is lifting up. Open the same. SPRC is pulling back down. GV tested the resistance around almost the 4, and now it's time for a pullback. Neo is going up. Left is going up. Open is going up. Those the main ones. Yeah, Neo is kind of tricked me today. Tricked me big time. Oh man. Yeah, there's someone buying open right now. Someone loading up open big time, guys. Let's see if we're gonna break the all-time high for today around the 741. Open or Neo. We have a big buyer for Neo right now. The dip for open was in pre-market. Yes, man. I hate this. I hate those kind of dips. Yeah, left is lifting off. As we said, it was a really good dip. Everybody's loading up on the dip. I'm gonna change the resistance right now for left around 2377, guys. 2377 could be a major resistance for left. For now, it's going up. Neo the same. Open. Expect a pullback for open before the 1050. Remember, guys, we're gonna do a major update later on our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our hunt and continue the update for mini stocks like Neo, Lyft, and other stocks. Meantime, stay blessed, and of course, see you all back on Discord. And now I will go back and check and update the chart for all the stocks on Discord and Patreon, guys. If you want to have access, the link in comment section below. And I think, wait a second, I think I put it, yeah, it is on the live chat section, guys, for our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow to discuss the market in depth. Thank you for watching, everybody. And watch out for Lyft because it's lifting off, going up with open.